I'm at 164 Babbling Brook Drive in McDonough. This is a 5-bedroom, all brick, formal dining room, formal living room, well kept. Freshly painted, new carpet, new appliances, gas water heater, gas fireplace. Very nice foyer entrance with a railing from the second floor. To my left is the formal living room. Stairs leading to the second level. You step over into the den with a brick hearth fireplace, gas and vented for burning regular wood, with a ceiling fan, nice windows for fresh bright outside air, door to the patio, into the backyard. Off of the den is the eat-in kitchen with a pantry. Again, all new appliances, gas stove and oven, built-in dishwasher, and a built-in microwave. Between the kitchen and the front entry is the formal dining room. Very nice. Between the kitchen and the front foyer and the den is a coat closet. And a storage closet. From the dining room, or eat-in kitchen, and the kitchen is a hallway to the downstairs bedroom with a bathroom, full bathroom. Combination shower tub into the downstairs bedroom, which also has a closet. From the hallway, go into the garage with a security system, of course, panels right here. 2-car garage, 1 door with electric door opener. In the garage is the gas and water heater. From the den or the living room, you have the stairs leading to the upper level where the bedrooms are. Carpeted. Hallway leads back to bedroom number 2, 3, and 4. Hall bathroom. But off of this entry are 2 doors. one to the sitting room of the master, one to the master bedroom itself. Sitting room is quite spacious. From here, hallway leading into the master. With a ceiling fan. Off of the master bathroom. Double door. Double vanity. With a garden tub, nice window, separate shower, closed, separate room for the toilet, and also spacious walk-in closet. From here, we'll go back into the hallway and downstairs. Oh, sorry. Hall bathroom. Vanity. Separate room with a toilet and a combination bathtub shower. Off of this hallway, there are 2 bedrooms, and in between the bedrooms is a Jack and Jill arrangement. This is bedroom number 2 from the Jack and Jill. Separate room with mode, combination, shower, bathtub, and a vanity. And a good sized closet. You go back down the hallway, and on the left, laundry room with a drip pan, overflow pan for the washer. Then bedroom number 4, walk-in closet, but a good sized closet. New carpet, very nice condition. And all the bedrooms are outfitted with smoke detectors, as well as the hallway that has a smoke detector and a CO2 sensor. And we'll go back downstairs. Take one more walk around the house. Yard with 2 trees. Screens are outfitted on the windows. Outside condenser, gas and electric. Brick fireplace all the way to the top. With a concrete patio. you have it. Very nice house in McDonough. 5-bedroom. Beautiful home.